Hi guys, good evening. So today was a wonderful day, guys. We saw bottom in the chat and we saw the top in the chat. And yesterday we did small analysis on option chain, and I think it has benefited most of the people. And you guys should also follow yesterday's analyst video. So we had mentioned longs in the we have mentioned the VWAP level. We have mentioned everything. So if you would have watched it, it would have been good. Chalo, koi nahi. So we'll just go and so analysis video is here. So we'll see what actually happened today. So we'll take 18,400 put as an example, guys. And so I invited my friends, so we'll wait for them. Before that, we'll just see. So 18,400 put. Yesterday we closed at 60. I had the trades. I took some trades in this. I had positional trades, and I exited somewhere in the top. And I actually made good money. You should have seen my P&L statement. So we opened today, and we opened up with VWAP. So it was a sign market is going to go down. So went up, it came back to VWAP. We thought it will take some support. So we are still short in the market. We initiated a second short, and we had some stop loss. And the time it didn't cross VWAP and it came back into the market. There's a good selling pressure. Okay, so we saw a selling pressure at 143, 144. We took a short on put, guys. Same way, we took shots on 18,300. As you can see, 18,300. We marked this level 62. So 62,000 is yeah. So 62 is yesterday's VWAP, guys. Okay. So yesterday's VWAP it broke, guys, 18,300, and we waited for it to retest, and it came back to 62, and we took the entry, guys. Okay, and we covered this at 40 or 35 something. Okay, so you can watch this in the live video. So we discuss all this. So we are waiting for retracement, and we took a short here. So we got very good entry in 18,300, guys, and today was very excellent day. I think all our entries were correct except one or two. We gave 5 or 10 rupees stop loss, but we booked 40 50 points multiple times. So you guys can go and watch our today's live, and we'll do analysis for tomorrow, guys. So I'll open the options chart, and this is Bank Nifty option chart, guys. So okay. So Bank Nifty option chart, you can see, guys, there's a heavy put rating for this week, and we'll see Nifty option chart. So Nifty option chart also, at the end of the day, 18,300, the support was not broken. Yesterday there was a heavy call rating. Hi Vivek, welcome back. So Vivek, I'll just finish a small introduction. I'm on YouTube. So guys, 18,300.
Hi Vishal, good
Yes,
evening.
good evening. You're getting my voice? You're getting my voice? Hello? 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 So let me just see.
Hello.
Yeah, getting my voice? Hello? 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 Just a minute. You're getting my voice, Vivek? Hello? Hello, Vivek? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Vivek, I think now you should be getting my voice. Hello? Hello, Vivek?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Well,
Yeah, yeah, fine. I think some problem with my mic. Chalo, koi nahi.
okay.
So I just took a small interview, guys. Give me just 2 minutes. I'll complete the interview. So guys, still Nifty. We have 18,300 put. There's a lot of support. A lot of put trading has been done, and Tomorrow, hopefully, market should open above 18,300. So let's wait and let's go back to guest Vivek and let's see what input he has. Vivek bye. Vivek
Yes.
bye. Yes. So you can start Vivek bye.
So we got a good closing around 18,385 today.
Okay.
Good short covering.
Yes.
So intraday, whatever calls got accumulated at 18,300 got squeezed towards the end, especially
Yes.
where a lot of uh, eventually the calls, if you see some big green candles of short covering came in
Hmm.
after yesterday's low was crossed.
Okay.
So this unwinding is still not over.
Okay.
Like now it has become deep in the money, like it has become in the money call now.
Okay.
So with that perspective, tomorrow morning I expect this uptrend to continue
Okay.
until the previous day Monday's high, which is around 200.
Okay.
That should be one stop.
Okay.
But then upside looks limited
So
because
18,300
we
call. What did you just tell again? Repeat. I'll just note it down.
above 143, above today's
Yes.
high,
Above today, if it opens,
the
we can.
target would be 200.
Okay. So 18,300. See above 144.
Right,
Okay. Target is 200.
right.
Okay. Get week buy and so what do you feel week buy the today market and Niche Kula it has opened cap down. It went down 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 but the afternoon rally. Why did we get that afternoon rally? So why were
A
we not
couple of
why were we not able to capture that move? What is the reason?
capture the move on the downside, we did capture the move at
Yeah,
times.
downside we took all the move we captured. Again,
Yeah.
when it there was a turn in the market, why did we do it?
So predominantly, like today, US markets recovered 300 points intraday,
Yes.
which typically happens very rarely.
Okay.
But then throughout the day, there was good amount of call rating standing at 18,300
Okay.
in terms of change of OI.
Okay.
And even now, there's still carry forward with some positions,
Okay.
which is some leftover uh, call rating which has been carried forwarded.
Yes.
So there were almost 7 lakh, 8 lakhs calls, which finally got unwinded to 1.5 now.
Okay.
There is still some amount of unwinding to be done. So
Okay.
that's why the confidence was not there to actually take this upside wala trade,
Yes.
because whenever US
18,300
market,
long
uh,
18th.
if they're waiting for this US 30 to fall,
Yes.
if this had fallen any 100 points also, they would have reversed this. They would have controlled the position
Okay.
and that uprise wouldn't have come.
Okay.
But then this call gave a very good entry around, like a small entry around 85 if you leave yesterday's low.
Okay.
So these are the new levels. If I just
Okay.
remove this, yesterday's low was 85.
85.
Which
Perfect.
the moment it crossed it, it took a retest.
Okay.
So this was a typical entry, and from there it tested its like previous AV gap also. It
Okay.
went above that.
Okay.
So in case of call buying, this was good thing. So basically, this uptrend gave me confidence to take my trades on the put sell side.
Okay.
So we were rating 18,300 puts
Yes.
all the way. So this guy once it broke yesterday's VWAP
Yes. And we waited for it
and
test and we
and
took a
retest and
perfect shot. Yes.
the 62 retest came. The moment it
Yes.
came, we took a shot and we wrote this.
Yes.
So with some amount of confidence, we got this trade right.
Yes.
But then typically I've seen a lot of weekly options. So now the option chain looks pretty screwed up for the entire week.
Okay.
So now it's even Stevens everywhere. If you look at the open interest standing, it's like tall buildings here on the port side, which got developed today.
Okay.
And call side anyways was standing from 18,600.
Yes.
So now I would say like both sides for tomorrow, like we anyways have had two very volatile days.
Yeah.
We had days wherein if you see Nifty on Monday it went up, today it went down, again came up.
Correct.
So basically obviously at lower levels buying interest is there.
Correct.
But then upside is limited because at every level we have good amount of open interest standing.
Open interest. Okay.
So 300 also we still have 1 lakh calls which are still
Okay.
standing.
Okay.
400 also we have 131. We have
Okay.
1 18,500 154 and the highest at 18,600.
Okay.
So the writing of this series started from 18600 calls.
Okay.
That is still under control,
Got
which
it.
is at 9 rupees now. They started at 160. This is at 9 currently.
Yes.
So if they're making good profits there, then even the market goes up by like there'll be resistance at every 50 points.
Yes. Got it.
So we have closed almost like 18400 now.
Yeah.
The next target would be 18400 and not more than that,
Okay.
which is like half a percent move on the index. That's it.
Yeah.
Somewhere it'll again start facing resistance. So
Yes.
tomorrow, if my plan for tomorrow would be like 18400 typically looks to me it is gone now in
Okay.
terms of open interest is there, but then there's some kind of resistance. So this VWAP is there of Monday.
Okay.
This is
85.
yet to be tested. Yeah, this was a
Okay.
buy. This was a buy VWAP. So the chances of this getting tested and rejection would be good
Okay.
actually.
Okay.
But if this is not because the 18400s, if you look at the option chain, there's good amount of OI, but then we have puts also standing here. But
Okay.
18500 is clear. We have clear call rating at this level.
18500.
18500. So if you open
Yes.
that option chain, we'll just see where the resistance are.
So 18500, I think
It is clean in terms
clean.
of
Okay. So
the short
VWAP
rate.
तक they won't do anything. VWAP तक जाने देंगे.
So for
यार
me, like
Fridays VWAP
if
तक they let it go.
Friday's VWAP is like this is like Monday's VWAP, yesterday's no.
Yes, yesterday's VWAP.
Yesterday's closing VWAP. So
Okay.
basically, my trade for tomorrow would be like if this gets a reversal candle at
Yes.
85,
Okay.
if the global markets are flat
Okay.
and we open on the upside and this takes resistance at 85, I
Okay.
might take an entry in terms of selling this option.
Selling this option.
And but if it breaks this 85, then I will obviously
Look for put.
wait for this guy to test 45
Okay.
because here we know there's a clear resistance which is there.
Okay.
So that would be my trade for tomorrow. But I'll be more comfortable shorting these puts because puts anyways have broken their intraday lows,
Yes.
their weekly lows also.
Yes.
So in case there's a gap down, there's some kind of recovery,
Yes.
then whenever this breaks the lows of 26 again, you go short on any of the P's.
Okay.
Typically, like this is 26, very low now.
Hmm.
So for me, 18400 is where I'll make
Look
my
for short.
positions or
Okay.
look for shorts. So this has last support at 55. So
55.
this is
Okay.
one. Yeah, if I go in this, or if I expect the market to go up 100 points, 18500 around, I can go short in 18500 put also.
Okay.
So all of this have weekly lows at very close by, all the
Okay.
puts.
Okay.
So the moment these lows are gone, then the C's also will get a momentum on the upside.
Okay.
But the upside will be capped for 18500 until 45. So the for this to hit
Got
45, the market has to travel almost 100 points more.
it. Got it.
So with that 100 points move, your call will go only from say close at 24 will go to 45, but your put will go down big time.
Okay.
Put can give you a good trade there.
Okay.
So typically this might go up to 50, 60. So if it breaks 95, breaks 99, then you can take an entry for 30, 40 points.
30
Or
40.
until this, yeah, 30 points. Or until this 18500 goes up to its previous VWAP resistance.
Perfect.
That is how I'll track it. But for now, if you see global markets look sideways,
Okay.
it's going up and down. Europe markets also are marginally down.
Yes.
So tomorrow, like Asia closed in red today, but then tomorrow, high chances are we might have a sideways kind of day
Okay.
because
So
2 days the option writers have taken the market all over the place.
yes. But I
Like
think 2 days option sellers को नुकसान हुआ ही है.
because we're not able to sit on one side of the story. Na?
Yes.
One day the calls went up,
Hmm.
next day it went completely gap down, the put went up, and
Correct.
intraday the put reversed. So basically, you're not clear in terms of where the direction is. It's moving
Correct.
on both the sides. Because
Correct.
puts the moment it moved out, if you look at the chart, it today it made a weekly high as well as a weekly low.
Okay.
That makes it very very difficult for anyone to trade. You know? So if it's breaking previous day high, so you start covering your puts. But
Yes.
then it's breaking previous day low, then you obviously need to add your puts.
Add your puts.
So
Got it.
you can't be on both the sides. So this typically happens. I would say like I've seen this once in 3 months or something. But this kind of volatility on both the sides doesn't happen very often.
Okay.
On the same day, an option never hits its weekly high and weekly low.
Okay. आज ऐसा हुआ है.
Ajja Sabha. Like typically in the morning it was weekly high, and
Yes.
then from there it hit the weekly low. This is like complete reversal kind of.
Yes. तो बायर्स का भी मार्केट नहीं, सेलर्स का भी नहीं है.
Buyers also will struggle in this market
Yes,
unless you get
buyers will
your call
struggle
right.
and sellers will also struggle.
Yeah, unless you have your levels like 18,400. If
Hmm.
you had your level today above 18, like what we discussed during our market hours also,
Yes.
it gave a very good entry around 85. A breakout with good candles, green candles,
Hmm.
then a retest, and then it tested its VWAP yesterday's. Like if you remember, like during the market hours, I had given a call
Ne-
at 18,200. Once it broke its previous day low, it will
okay.
test 200. This 138 was the low, right?
कल का it was
Kal ka close.
okay. कल
If
का
you
low.
remember that, this was the high which it made, which I took
Yes.
as filtered also.
Yes.
So this level broke, nice green candle
Yes.
with good volumes,
We tested
retested,
and yeah,
and then
good
it
breakup.
tested its VWAP. So
Yes.
I was pretty sure that 200 around 200 will be tested.
Correct. Oh, yeah, we were discussing in live.
Hmm.
So विवेक now समझ लो मैं as I told you ग्रुप में भी डाला हूँ मेरे को आके 43,200 के आसपास मार्केट विल नो 43,200 के आसपास बैंक निफ्टी विल क्लोज सो मेरे को 43,200 कॉल शॉर्ट करना है तो ओके व्हाट इज द लेवल आई नीड टू वॉच फॉर
Level is this exactly closed at Monday's VWAP
ओके
310.
ओके
Above 310, then it has a target of 391.
ओके सो नियर 391 आई कैन लुक फॉर शॉर्ट
Look for short, but then typically with this kind of reversal, the move can be much higher.
ओके
And
Because
this
the
would be
highest,
in the money.
yeah,
In the
that's
money
what.
would be tough.
So ideally, you can't watch this chart. You might have to watch your out of the money chart.
सो विच चार्ट शैल वी वॉच
Look at the open interest. 43,500 is where the breakout might come in. 43,000 is where the support is. So if I open 43,000, put I open 43,500 call. The put anyways has made weekly low.
ओके
Mm.
So tomorrow if it breaks 42, then you can keep selling it. It will become zero.
Okay, no, I don't want to sell put. I want to sell call.
You want
I
to sell
feel
call,
market will be between 43 and 43 200, but I want to sell call and not put.
then call if I just go to 43,500 call. This is still under control.
Okay, 43 500 call. Right?
Yeah, 166 is
Okay.
the previous VWAP was
So when
190,
it comes near
200.
166, I can try to take short on 43 200.
Yeah. So basically, if you see this call, like
Yeah,
Friday's VWAP was 195.
पहले से full
So,
control man.
so on Monday, there was a complete control. None of the candles closed above 195.
Got it.
Then next VWAP is 165. So tomorrow, if there's a gap up, then 165 typically will take a good resistance. So if this 165 is taking a resistance, you can go short on 43
Yes,
200, but that will
43
be like,
in
I
the
would
money.
say, a risky kind of trade.
No,
Because the moment this breaks 165, this will move up by 10 points, but your 43 in the money will move up by 40 points.
ना ना डेल्टा अभी ये भी 50 डेल्टा हो जाएगा ना ये if it comes to my 160 this will become in the money 43 350
Now
अभी
your bank nifty is where it closed at
350
359 now.
yeah तो कल
That's completely in the
5
money now.
या बट इसका भी डेल्टा कास्ट कुछ नहीं होगा 10 पॉइंट्स तो 20 पॉइंट्स होगा
Acha. But then I would keep a stop loss here. But then it has multiple resistances on the upside.
ओके
So even for this going up, like what I said for Nifty also, going up won't be easy
ओके
because you have multiple resistance at every level.
ओके सो टुमारो इज अ डे फॉर स्ट्रैडल कल ले सकता है इट लुक्स गुड स्ट्रैडल लास्ट एंगल शॉर्ट में
Looks like for me again, it depends on the levels. So for example, if I get a gap down
या
and then any of the puts breaks the yesterday's low, today's low, basically, I'll start going short again.
गैप डाउन इन द मार्केट और गैप डाउन इन द पुट
Gap down in the market. So gap down the put will open somewhere above this
यस
logically, and then it'll start going down.
ओके सो
So
व्हाट
moment it crosses 26, then because 80, this has the highest open interest now.
सो आई मीन मार्केट गैप डाउन होके ऊपर खुल सकता है.
पुट थोड़ा ऊपर खुल सकता है.
हाँ वही पुट ऊपर खुलेगा.
हाँ.
बट गैप डाउन होके मार्केट रिकवर हो जाएगा. यू मीन दैट मार्केट 100 पर नीचे होगा. गैप डाउन
हाँ.
होके देन विल ट्राई टू कम अप.
Right. So in that case, even calls will test its previous daily gap, even if there's a gap down. So support will still be there.
Okay.
Strong support is there.
No, but 18,300 would be in the money at that time if it in case of gap
Yes.
down.
ना अभी
Yeah,
भी
gap down won't be
एटीन
much.
थ्री
No, it
हंड्रेड
will
तो
be.
इन द मनी है ना कॉल तो.
So the VWAP
Funny
is
gap
80,
down.
this is 124.
पुट विल
So
ऑल्सो बी
the,
इन द मनी.
No, but for
so
shorting, are you talking about short
कॉल
or
शॉर्ट्स.
long? Call
वी आर
short.
see, I am
Okay.
looking for shorting the puts because the calls are way above the low.
Hmm.
Right? Today, if the low was 50 around, the high is 143. So for this to come to VWAP, then close below VWAP, there are a lot of points to travel.
Hmm.
But for puts, the number of points are on the very low side.
No, but in this type of case, shall we look in the money calls or shall we still look out for the OTMs only? Because 18,300 is now in the money. So ideally, we
So
should
you're
look
looking at what?
either
Shorting calls or like shorting puts?
puts.
So if you want to short puts, then 18,300. Why we look at this chart is because this open interest has the highest,
Hmm.
tallest building standing here. So just in case of just imagine scenario, we get small gap down tomorrow by 20, 30
Hmm.
points. So this put will open somewhere around 40,
Yeah,
Oh
right?
yes.
And from that breaks 26. That will be my entry point.
I see.
Or there's a very big gap down in the market, so like 50, 60 points, then this will go to previous VWAP 81. That will be one of
Hmm.
the entries which I'll get again
Okay.
Hmm.
because the writing has been very strong today. This is a reversal writing, so this resistance will be very strong.
So these are fresh writings or these are like
Fresh
l-
writings. So if you look
short
at
covering?
yesterday's pink lines, they were very small. Today
Mm-hmm.
there have been decent amount. If you look at change in OI, so the good 18,200 some build up has happened, 18,300 some build up has happened. So some
No, but the
good build up
same
has
happened
happened.
with the call as well.
So
I can see
calls
the call.
basically got trapped today. So if you look at call, this was during market hours, this was 7 lakh shares, but now only 150 is left. So and the
Oh.
market is way above these levels, right?
Mm.
It's so 300, 350. So these guys were unwinding in the second half once the US market recovered. They were unwinding the full day, and these calls kept going up. If you look at this chart, so that unwinding, there's still some unwinding which is pending, is what I feel.
I
किसमें
see.
18 कॉल में.
Because that is in the money now. No?
Yes.
18,300 is in the money. If market opens gap up, then 18,400 will become in the money. We
Okay.
look at it, 18,400 also, we have good amount of open interest. So both these players will get trapped,
Okay.
and then the
So
move will
this
come to
means
500.
that there'll again be a high to low movement market में आ सकता है.
आ सकता है 500 takes a good, like these guys will be strong. At 600 it won't cross
Yes.
anyways, but I mean 500 also it will be very strong because our OI is very strong at 500. It's almost like
सो कल आके
1.5 lakh.
मार्केट मॉर्निंग पे हाई हो सकता है, क्लोज पे लो जा सकता है. लाइक टुडे वाइस वर्सा हो सकता है. व्हाट डू यू
हो
फील?
सकता है, but I
ओके.
feel sideways is the best thing to happen.
ओके.
If Thursday has to be interesting, then tomorrow has to be sideways.
ओके.
Otherwise, expiry will become boring then.
कल भी ऊपर नीचे दिया तो फिर मज़ा आ जाएगा ना.
No, but Thursday is where you
क्रिसमस
actually
पार्टी
get
है उसके
your.
बाद तो.
The party happens on Thursdays. So for me, like in these 2 days of like it's been Friday also was a down day,
ओके.
directional. Monday was upside directional. Today was down and up both. So it's like every day it's moving. There's no sideways. Typically, week has one or two sideways days also, where the calls also don't move, the puts also don't move.
ओके.
But these last 3 days have been both the call puts have been moving weekly high to weekly low to weekly high. So now I expect at least one sideways days, and Thursday can be a trendy day.
ओके.
But still looks like very for sure. Most probably expiry will be between 18,300 and 600.
Okay.
It won't cross either of these levels.
वो तो है 600 तो is next to impossible. गैप अप गैप
Right.
डाउन हो सकता है 300 के नीचे. गैप
If
अप.
that happens, then these guys will get trapped, na, the highest OI
Yes.
guys. Then the downfall should be good.
क्योंकि मार्केट वही क्लोज हुआ ना 600 तो बहुत दूर की बात है 400 पॉइंट गैप अप होना बहुत मुश्किल है.
That's why I even feel this 500 will become very
Yes,
strong
very
very soon.
strong.
But these are old guys. This
Yes,
position was created on Friday only.
correct.
Both 600 and 600 was there from Thursday itself.
Okay,
500 came on Friday.
okay,
So typically positions built on Friday are defended for rest of the week.
great. So what is the plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in all the three cases, like if it is a, for example, it opens flat,
Okay.
which looks very likely given US
Yes.
markets also are non-directional. I see them. Okay, now they're building up some momentum.
Okay. They've gone up nicely, man.
Yeah, so if I'll just imagine the three scenarios, if for example 18300 we know the put
अभी
is like
अभी
100
18500 है
below,
अभी 18500 and 50 futures. So almost 80 points ऊपर है. कल के लेके आया बोले.
so it's a gap up for tomorrow.
या 100 पॉइंट ऊपर
Then
खुलेगा.
put sell trade तो हमें मिलेगा ही नहीं.
मिलेगा ही
So
नहीं.
that is something which
So
we'll get.
18400 पुट मिल सकता है ना.
नहीं मिलेगा anyways. That's also it'll open way below its previous day low.
Okay.
Entry नहीं मिलेगा ना. So it has last support at 54.
Okay.
If 50 points also market opens low, this will open at 20.
Okay.
So even this trade is gone. So 18500 वहाँ तो कोई positions भी नहीं है. So if you look at 18500, there's nothing at 18500.
Okay.
So then
So
new positions will have to be built to
so
get to right this.
कॉल कहाँ पे स्टक कॉल में कहाँ असिस्टेंट है बोलो 18500 18500 ही देखना पड़ेगा कल 460
18500 definitely. If it
4700
opens at
खुलेगा
450 plus,
यस
right.
18500 कॉल में सो दिस इज द असिस्टेंट
Right. We have 45 is the resistance and this high of 67 will be one target.
ओके
And then after that, this will be the next target, which is 81.
81
Weekly high.
गॉट इट
Just in case 81 is crossed, then big party will come into 600.
करेक्ट
But that looks unlikely. Like, doesn't look fine. It will be crossed
नहीं भाई
easily.
सी ऑलरेडी आई थिंक वी आर 70 80 पॉइंट्स प्लस नाइट तक 200 पॉइंट प्लस हो गया तो 81 के ऊपर ही खुलेगा ना
In that case, then 18600 chart is the
बिकॉज
last
अभी
option.
25 है यहाँ से 80 तक 55 पॉइंट्स है इसका 25 डेल्टा तो होगा
But this is in well under control, 18600.
दिस इज
So until 44, they have no issues.
ओके वही सो वी कैन लुक फॉर कॉल सेल इनफैक्ट 18500 के आसपास है तो
But then I don't want a buzzing bull market tomorrow. Otherwise, even call selling will become very difficult. Because unwinding is still left, no? Even so, these 300 guys will unwind, 400 guys will unwind. So this unwinding will keep taking the market higher.
ओके
Because this is good amount of position standing at 18400.
ओके
So Vivek, today, I mean, we discussed that, right? I mean, 43,000 put. So
Right.
did you take that trade, or I
Yes,
mean,
he
No,
did it
took
trigger for you?
no
bank Nifty
40
didn't, don't trade normally.
he took
Oh,
trade
I
in
see.
Nifty
I took Nifty trades.
so we got good trade no 62 पे कहीं हुआ 18 200 or 300
18300 put.
300
Remember, I had put a sell of 62. This one.
yes 62 पे he took
Oh.
exactly
Yesterday's VWAP.
सीरीज we have टूटा रिटेस्टमेंट डाल के
We
करते
waited for almost like half an hour.
Hmm.
And this entry came by at 245. And instantly we got that trade. Right.
so we are asking you Nitin I think आपको strike नहीं हुआ आपका पूछे थे आपका आप लिए नहीं लिए
Hmm.
so we are
Okay, you
discussing
missed this trade, is it?
yeah I missed
Hmm.
it
I missed this.
that
अच्छा
was
अच्छा.
smooth entry में टिके मिलता ही बस प्लस प्लस प्लस
I thought
नहीं आया
we were waiting for this entry for some time.
yeah we were
Remember,
waiting
at this level we were waiting for this entry.
Hmm.
around 50s.
Yes.
Missed it.
That's okay.
कोई
Every day with the
नहीं,
same kind
yeah,
of
every
logic.
day we'll get some good trades.
Yeah,
Constantly
yeah.
does the same. Does price action will keep moving here and there, so we'll get your entries.
चलो. So Reliance, what do you feel, Vivek? Reliance 260 के ऊपर गया
Reliance
है.
is broken. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Reliance I
So कॉल उसका क्या हुआ, ऊपर गया है, कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ?
कॉल तो उड़ गया उसका.
So where you think
Yeah.
Reliance will take toss? So कल का VWAP के ऊपर गया है क्या?
So yesterday's low
Okay.
took multiple. It went below it, took
Yes.
resistance,
Yes.
but once it broke above it, took support,
Okay.
and
Hmm.
then it flew off. So targets are decent enough. 57.
Okay.
So it broke above VWAP also.
Yeah,
So
so
now
we can wait for retracement till 45 to buy.
to buy, yes.
Yes.
The closing price itself will be 40, 47. The closing price hasn't come.
Yes. Okay. Average close over.
But then it looks in a strong uptrend, and the reason is the highest open interest was 2600.
नहीं वही इवन आई वाज वेटिंग, मैं वो
No,
तो
highest
बोल.
is 2700, but then even this had good open interest. So this unwinding will take this stock much higher.
ओके, गॉट इट.
But
एंड
I guess you can look at 18 2700 chart also. That
या,
also can give you an indication what is happening. 2700. So this has resistance at 12,
12.3.
then a high of 17.
ओके.
I think same thing
आज
happened with
के
the
वीवैप,
Adani as
आज
well.
वो फ्राइडे के वीवैप में असिस्टेंट लिया देखो, थर्सडे के वीवैप में
This one
15th वी, या नहीं इसके नीचे वाला, पिछले दिन वाला, पिछले दिन वाला,
here,
पिछले दिन तो 3 दिन यहाँ से थर्सडे बैक.
here you're saying.
या इसका वीवैप
That
का.
is gone right. It opened twice. It went over it.
ओके.
So if levels are crossed once or twice, then that level becomes irrelevant.
ओके,
So
गॉट
now this is not crossed. No, 12 is not crossed.
इट.
So 12 will be a strong resistance because yesterday's high is crossed. 10 rupees is crossed. So 12 is a good resistance, but then 12 also is crossed and further 17. But 12 to 17 in this option will make Reliance go up by 20 rupees at least.
करेक्ट. डेल्टा 25 होगा.
Hmm.
Perfect. So any other
Is
stock you
there
like
any
to?
view? Yeah,
Sorry?
I was also going to ask this the same question.
Any other
Sorry?
stocks we should keep an eye? मतलब VWAP में gap up gap down में we can look for these stocks.
Axis Bank कैसा लग रहा है? I mean, because it is going higher and it is like today it hit the
Axis.
all-time high, closed at the all-time high.
विवेक भाई आपको 7 वॉच लिस्ट बस है क्या? थोड़ा बात करके 10-15 ले लो वॉच लिस्ट.
Now, for me, I don't track these charts very closely, so I can randomly see them once in a while. But these are Bank Nifty components,
Yes.
so some days I see them. That's it. This guy is simply flying Axis Bank every day, back to back.
Hmm. Right now it's all-time high, and that is why Nifty is Bank Nifty is going up and up.
950 is highest Y. Where's it now? 952.
Yes.
Hmm.
My little more gap up tomorrow, then this unwinding will start.
नहीं,
Oh,
इसका एवरेज क्लोज 950 है देखो. LTP
But
952
it's
है.
exactly at the highest Y, na?
यस.
But tomorrow some
hmm.
gap up and this guys will start unwinding then.
ओके. नहीं, गैप अप हुआ तो कहाँ पे बाई करना बोलो मुझे. मेरे को लॉन्ग जाना है इसमें तो.
अच्छा 950.
देखो इसका एवरेज क्लोज है 949.75 है.
You're looking to buy this.
या
Then I guess above day high this level looks fine. above 12 rupees.
Okay. आज का है
But
के
this
ऊपर.
this has taken 2 times resistance at around 12-13.
Okay.
So
But this
basically,
is weekly or monthly chart?
Monthly
this
only ना
monthly chart,
You
ऑप्शन.
no,
स्टॉक
monthly
तो
option.
मंथली है ना. नितिन भाई आप यूएस पहुंच गए क्या?
And above 14 is like party in this.
yeah, that's what I was saying. That shall we talk about the monthly level resistance level, like which is 15 or the weekly?
This is monthly only. This chart is like
No, no,
No,
I
50
know, I
के
know.
15 के ऊपर ही
My
it will fly.
हाँ 15 के ऊपर is the
It will
better
fly.
chance.
या फर्स्ट असिस्टेंट यहाँ पे है, सेकंड वहाँ पे है.
हाँ, so if we buy at 12, then the target should be 15.
Yes.
15. Yeah, 15 should be defended because if you see like
It's a
once,
monthly.
twice, thrice, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So multiple defenses happen. So 15 is given off.
Yes.
Then this will go much higher. But then the stock also looks in a good uptrend actually.
that's what. यार
Stock is
कल
in
को तो पूरा चांस लग रहा है 50 टच करेगा ये.
अभी
It
क्या
will give a
ऑप्शन
hard
बैंक में
so
time.
क्या है तो प्रीमियम डीके में मर जाएंगे.
because 952 is exactly the day high also.
But 950 would be in the money, no?
No, I'm saying for the underlying 952 is the day
Hmm.
high. So if it crosses day high, then again buying will be triggered. Na?
Mm-hmm.
Or if that option goes at today's VWAP, that also will be buying opportunity. If you want to give it a try, then give it at 10 rupees, at 11 rupees.
950 सी.
If it comes here, yeah. Because today also it took support at previous VWAP.
ओके. मल्टीपल
Hmm.
सपोर्ट. 3 बार सपोर्ट हो गया.
Exactly at 8
थर्ड
rupees.
टाइम फेक किया है.
Hmm.
Can we see this in the OI pulse as well, Vishal?
Let me
For the
open.
axis as well?
I think we can
Like,
see. Yeah, all the stocks are there.
like what happened long unwinding or short
Yes,
covering?
yes, yes. Yeah, we can see all the stuff.
Okay.
So you took आपने ले लिया इसको?
I was planning to take this Axis Bank because
Okay.
this was the only stock in the Nifty which was going high and high. All other.
So now I'll put option chain. So no, मैं इसमें कल का भी देख सकते हैं. I don't think you can find it easily. मतलब कल का option chain क्या है? I can see.
Oh yes, you were talking about this yesterday.
Historical देख सकते हैं.
Yesterday.
So what Friday Thursday को देखना क्या हुआ बैंक निफ्टी में.
Hmm.
So Thursday एक्सपायर पे कहाँ पे बिल्ड हुआ. सो अभी विवेक भाई तो सब उनका ब्रेन दिमाग है. थर्सडे को बिल्डअप हुआ, फ्राइडे को हुआ, मंडे को हुआ बोल देंगे. हम जैसे
But
छोटे
for
लोग
us,
तो हाँ यार वी हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग आवरसेल्फ. सी थर्सडे को दिस एक्सपायर क्या हुआ देखिए. सो देयर लॉट ऑफ कॉल रेटिंग थर्सडे को भी. करेक्ट
huge.
विवेक भाई क्या बोलोगे आप उसको? दिस वाज
Which
15th.
Thursday? Last Thursday.
क्या?
Last Thursday, no? 15th.
लास्ट थर्सडे. बट
This is what Axis
दिस
Bank.
दिस वीक ऑप्शन. नो 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 बैंक निफ्टी.
हाँ
तो इसको क्या
But how do
बोलेंगे
you
हम लोग?
know?
हाँ
कॉल
कॉल
लेट.
रेटिंग. हाँ कॉल रेटिंग हुआ
सो
था.
मार्केट डाउन साइड ही था उस दिन के लिए.
हाँ
अच्छा. देन फ्राइडे को क्या हुआ देखते हैं. फ्राइडे को भी
Friday it
एवी
continued.
कॉल
ना?
एवी कॉल रेटिंग.
2 down days. Monday was an up day.
यस. नो एवी कॉल रेटिंग. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप.
Hmm.
ओके.
Okay.
क्योंकि हम वैसे ही एनालिसिस करते हैं ना. सो मंडे को पुट रेटिंग हुआ.
But not at that
कॉल भी
level.
राइट हुआ. अनवाइंड हुआ ही नहीं. कॉल में भी राइट ही हुआ. 27 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है कॉल में. यहाँ पे तो बहुत छोटे अमाउंट है. 20 लाख ही है. So the put rating and call rating on Monday.
Hmm.
फिर आज इसका क्या हुआ देखो. ये लाइव डेटा में आएगा आज. आज भी कॉल रेटिंग है. पुट रेटिंग भी है आज भी. सो ओवर
But
43,500 पे एवी असिस्टेंट है. and 43,000 per EV supporter. Is this correct,
Mm. Yeah,
Vivek
yeah.
bhai? So if we want to buy years call, okay, I'll be looking for breakout in 43,000 put
Or 43,500 call.
or 43,500 call for years only निकली ये क्या बोला भाई अच्छा if we click on this so last 5 days का आ जाता है perfect man अलग अलग देखने की जरूरत नहीं got this
Oh, what is this?
अभी
This is
समझ लो
good.
This one
40
the strike price.
43,500 क्लिक
Ah.
करता हूँ तो लास्ट 5 days
Hmm.
कॉल में क्या हुआ पुट में क्या हुआ वी आर चेंजिंग ईच डे नो इसमें चेंज
Hmm.
करो देखो शॉर्ट बिल्डअप लॉन्ग बिल्डअप सब दिखा रहा सो टुडे द शॉर्ट गोइंग इन पुट 43,500 ठीक है ऑल्सो इसमें क्या एडवांटेज होता है आई थिंक यू कैन सी किस एल टी पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप हुआ है इसका एल टी पी क्या था क्लोज 240 240 280 पे सब शॉर्ट बिल्ड हुआ
Hmm.
ओके सो we can also see what is the close कहाँ पे build-up हुआ है you should actually give ATP average traded price VWAP देना चाहिए इसको यहाँ पे बाजू में एक और डाल के VWAP देना दिन का then it will become easy I feel
You can give a feedback, they'll improve.
हाँ yeah I
Hmm.
call him बोलूँगा भाई को and ये क्या है पता नहीं ये
This is
call
your
come again
build up and down price versus
price
your
versus
open interest.
open interest okay otherwise so bank nifty this is give detail of everything किसमें लॉन्ग बिल्डअप है किसमें शॉर्ट बिल्डअप है किसमें शॉर्ट अनवाइंडिंग है किसमें लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग है सो ओल्ड ए ओल्ड एंड न्यू सो दिस इज EOD जैसे so you can see so short unwinding in 43 500 600 700 इनको तो होना ही था गैप डाउन हुआ है they have to cover so short build-up was there in 43,000 and 40,500 कुछ काम का नहीं है and short build-up was on 43,000 call also okay ठीक है and what is over stats अच्छा ये है ऑप्शन प्रीमियम लिफ्टेड अच्छा कितना प्रीमियम है ओके यहाँ पे कुछ वो है एक्सपायर स्ट्रेटजी ये क्या है ओपन आई स्ट्रेटजी ये कुछ ओपन नहीं है सो 922 आई ब्रेक हुआ तो उसको बाई कर लेना करके कुछ बोलूँगा या इसको शॉर्ट करना करके बोलूँगा ओपन इक्वल टू वाई कॉल में मतलब कॉल ओपन है मतलब मार्केट इज गोइंग डाउन परफेक्ट 41,600 हमको नीचे जाना ओके गॉट दिस एंड मॉर्निंग ट्रेड ओके प्रीमियम लेना पड़ेगा 320 प्रीमियम है कैलेंडर
So
स्पेंड
I guess these guys have some set strategies based on which you follow and
yeah he has
quote
lot
it
of
around it.
followers no it's 40 50,000 people use this he does
Hmm.
scalping man he just board you should know who is Shiva पता ही होगा ना
Nahin. His name is full name is
वो है शिव कुमार फुल नेम तो
O.I. Shiva Kumar. So he has his YouTube channel also.
वो ही पल्स करके यूट्यूब चैनल है
Acha.
सो मेरे को 43,200 स्टार्टर लेना है कल तो क्या आई थिंक मार्केट विल फिनिश बिटवीन 43 एंड 43,200 इसके ऊपर आई डाउट चलो 175 हुआ स्टैंगल भी है क्या इसमें विक्स एंड इंडेक्स क्या है भाई विक्स गोइंग अप विक्स कमिंग डाउन
VIX is now coming up. What is this?
वो लास्ट स्पाइक के वक्त मतलब So
So
now
one
he
of my
has got
friend,
one click. Okay, one click matlab, you know, see the chart में यहाँ से you can buy it. One click matlab.
Oh,
So no need to open. So ऐसा कुछ है. इसमें multiple windows we can open. Bank Nifty, Nifty सबके लिए.
this is a very good application which has been made.
Yeah, yeah, it's done a lot of hard work. देखो फर्स्ट बना दिया ना फिर as and know what people ask they keep doing it. अभी मैं उसको सजेशन दूंगा वी वेब डाल दे भाई वहाँ पे. If he likes it, he'll do it.
Right.
This is OI gainer, OI loser. You can see OI gainer मतलब it is short. क्या बोलेंगे इसको short. How will you look at this Vivek? OI gainer 15 मिनट में.
So in
So
15-minute intervals, which has been gaining the most away or reducing the most away? That is the
the most active
hmm,
strike. Okay.
right.
Active strikes. चलो as we get that futures में भी है सब कुछ. We can look at it. Banks analysis ये क्या है?
Every
so
bank.
so
Yes.
विशाल, जो आज हम मॉर्निंग में जो दिन में देख रहे थे, दो
Yes.
एवरी 3 मिनट्स में
Yeah.
द द
OI
चेंज ऑफ डेटा,
analysis. OI analysis.
उसका ग्राफ भी बन सकता है क्या, लाइक ना एवरी 5 मिनट्स कैसे
हाँ हाँ बन सकता OI chart वही है.
उसमें? अच्छा,
The
वो
second
है
option ना OI
चार्ट्स.
So
chart.
ये
This shows the
जाके
same thing.
call put OI. So morning देख सकते हो. Call ऊपर गया put का सुबह market टूटा है.
Look, put a
Last.
strike price on the see that
ओह
also. No?
माय गॉड, दिस इज
So you
गुड.
can select the strike price we want. Interval we want. EOD OI analysis में क्या है? Bank Nifty current month. Okay, monthly का update है. Long unwinding. अच्छा futures sorry. Okay. अच्छा futures है. So you can see futures also lower price. Connecting dots. Yeah, इसका Dow Jones, VIX, volume, IB, OI, OI interpretation, VWAP, super trend, RSI. So VWAP के ऊपर है, super trend के ऊपर है, RSI के ऊपर है क्या? So सब कुछ
All
gain है तो
indicators are
यार
there.
people keep buying. यहाँ पे देखा bearish है, bullish है, bullish है. Not bad.
So 2 o'clock पे when everything started becoming green,
Yes.
which we saw because the Dow Jones or futures were day low से 200 points up
So
थे.
this is on Bank Nifty futures है. ये option पे नहीं है.
अच्छा,
So सुबह से वीवेब के पास था 12:27 वीवेब के पास आया वापस 12:30 को एंड उसके बाद वीवेब के नीचे था एंड 2:15 को वीवेब के ऊपर गया फर्स्ट 3-4 कैंडल आगे तो हम लोग दिमाग लगाना फिर जो ऊपर गया बस वो बस आसमान छू लिया. Okay guys then Kalaimani, good morning.
Yeah.
So I think we had a very good session and hopefully tomorrow we should be making some more profits. And, so what are the mistakes we have to learn Vivek bhai? You think you made any mistakes or not kar lo? You
yes,
have
I
to
will
learn.
do that.
Always learn from your
Uh,
mistakes.
yeah. So one mistake which I noted is today puts were taking resistance at the same level,
Okay.
and I was so biased that market will go down that I couldn't see that triple resistance was taken and the market was falling from there.
Okay.
So I missed that beautiful entry on right on day top.
Okay. Correct.
But
So
sometimes you're biased in your mind, charts are telling something else, but then you're biased in your mind, so you start seeing the charts in that direction.
yes. See Dow
कि अब
Jones
break
is
होगा ही
come
break
new
होगा.
high आया Dow Jones पे.
Hmm.
So that's it, Vivek and Nitin. I think we got some inputs. Okay, daily कुछ
Yeah.
बात करना हैबिट हो जाएगा. We'll be prepared कल क्या करना है. So
Right, right.
every day
Yeah.
after we
Yeah.
talk, मैं call put जो भी बोला है, I note it down. मैं एक उसका एक बना के मैं daily I put it on my YouTube community and I put it in my
Mhm.
Telegram. ये option के ये VWAP level है. So actually option chain is not my people who follow me they all know my options विशाल का option set ही नहीं होता है. So I've just started doing option in the last
But अब हो
10
जाएगा.
15 days. नहीं हो जाएगा मत बात नहीं है but I am someone guy like मेरे को DK नहीं देना. I am an option buyer. Okay, मैं
अच्छा.
futures जाके मैं बैठ जाऊँगा because I have capital I can manage. Drawdown I can manage. But मेरे को लॉस देना ही नहीं आता. I am short in M&M from 1085. 1085 से short हुआ M&M. It's almost 4 to 5 months. I'm still holding it short. So my people who follow me they know कि विशाल कभी लॉस बुक ही नहीं करेगा. So ठीक है चलता है. So guys then we'll take a break. Have a good night and a peaceful sleep. Enjoy your profits.
Yeah.
And we'll plan a meetup in Delhi, Vivek. Because I have work in Delhi. So I'll tell you by Jan and
Sure. So when
somewhere
you plan to
Jan.
come down Delhi, then we can plan to
Yes,
meet up.
Jan and Aspas I'll put a meetup. So let all people who are in Delhi they'll come and meet us.
That'll be great. Yeah.
Yes. So that's it
Great.
for
Oh,
now, Vivek and Nitin. So I'll see
Yeah.
you guys soon. And
okay. Thanks
I'll
everyone.
end
Good
this
night.
Google Meet now. Yes, good night. Good night, Nitin. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye.
Good night, guys.
Good night. So, guys, so so the big upside should give us a buying opportunity in 18500 call options. So I'll just go back 18500. Okay, it is logged out. I'll put in this. So Nifty 18500. Okay, I need historical data. Let's see from Thursday. Nifty 18500 call. Thursday expiry is 22nd. Cannot log in now. चलो कोई नहीं. So I'll put the update on community post, guys. So people who are following, you can see my YouTube community tab. So I'll put the levels for tomorrow. So any breakup or breakdown, we shall take a trade, guys. See you soon then. If you're watching this channel, please give a like and subscribe. And tomorrow morning we'll have a Zoom sessions. So all of you, if you're free, you can join us for a live trading session. And today we had very good live trading session, guys. We made very big money. And we also exited our shorts at the bottom of the market. And it was a wonderful day for us. So thank you for joining us.